Hey, you guys ready to take a look at 1626 Winville Road? Let's go.
Live behind decisions I chose. Peaks feel good and the valleys get low. Chains for the tires in the rain, hail, snow. It's like this everywhere that I go, everywhere that I go.
So it's kind of deceiving from outside. It is semi-detached, 3-story. It's just over 2,700 square feet. From the outside, what I really like is that we have this long driveway where you could park actually 2 cars out here, and there's no grass to maintain because they've kind of interlocked everything out here. From the outside, it's really maintenance free, and you got enough parking over here. Let's check it out inside. As soon as we walk in, we have a spacious foyer. You can take off your shoes, hang your jackets. You can have like 10 people come in over here. You're not gonna be feeling cramped, especially because you have the double door entry. As we come inside over here, you're gonna have a big double closet. And as we come through, there's more storage under here, which is awesome. Access to your garage right from inside of the house. And then you come up into this like flex area, if you want to call it. Family room, living room, office area. We have actually a accessible washroom in here as well. This was just done a few years ago and it's really, really nice. And we have access to the backyard right from over here. There's no grass, which is something I really like because I would be horrible at maintaining it and keeping the weeds out. So it's nice to enjoy without having to do any of the work. A little note over here. So there are some of these houses that I have seen where people have kind of converted this into like a bachelor unit. Since it is a semi-detached, there is walkway access and they have used this back door, maybe for extended family or something, but you could try to create a little private apartment out here, down here if you wanted to. You have laundry over here. We got the panel here, and then we had, like I said, the storage. And let's go upstairs. So I'm gonna show you my favorite part of this house right now. And for a semi-detached, it's unreal. Look at the size of this kitchen that they have over here. Like, a huge island, tons of cabinetry. Really like this big window over here because it's letting in a lot of light. And since we have a walkout basement, you don't necessarily have access right directly to your backyard, but we have this oversized patio over here. It's a lot of space. As you can see, it holds this table, and we have a gas line that comes right here. So you're not dealing with propane tanks all the time. This thing is actually a breakfast area. You could pretty much act like a dining room right over here because you don't really need it. There is a spot I'll show you guys over there where it's designated as a dining room, but this breakfast area is huge. And I think it all works really, really well with this kitchen and your dining being right over here. Here we have a powder room, just a 2-piece over here. And then we have another closet over here, mostly for storage. Now, this is another very cool spot. And by the way, it has another little balcony out here. This would have been designated by the builder as a dining area. As you can see in the breakfast area, it accommodates it. So there is a little work from home area over here. I mean, obviously you can use that as dining table if you want. And then you have this huge space over here for your actual living room. Walks out, like I said, we have a gas fireplace. And it got 9-foot ceilings and a ton of pot lights. Let me show you guys upstairs. We'll check out the primary. They got a king-size bed. They got bigger furniture in here, and it still feels very, very spacious. You have a walk-in closet, and you have another bathroom over here. So you got another 5-piece bathroom, so it's separate sinks. And again, you have another access to a balcony over here. If you want to get away from your kids, probably a good spot. We've got a big linen closet with 2 doors. We got bedroom number 2, I would say, because we had the primary. So this is bedroom number 2. And bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 are actually the exact same size. None of your kids are going to argue. It's just a matter of picking left or right. They're getting the same size room. And then we have a washroom over here to share with both of the bedrooms. Should mention that upstairs we got new granite quartz countertops, all the new lighting fixtures. Everything like that. And it's basically turnkey, guys. There's nothing actually to do over here. I think this house would be perfect for that growing family that wants some spaces spread out, that wants to be in a neighborhood that still has a lot of kids inside of it, but you know that there's not going to be a lot more growth within this pocket over here because all of the land here is filled up. Yeah, is there going to be more development kind of on Brock Road, but inside of this pocket over here in terms of residential building, there is nothing else that's going to end up happening over here. The advantage of this also is that there's still a lot of infrastructure that's going in and around here. There are going to be new schools, there's going to be new plazas, there's going to be a lot more amenities that are coming here. So this is a really nice little pocket to get into right now. And there are a ton of kids here. So I think it's going to be great for families that are looking for a family-oriented neighborhood. If you guys are interested in this house, taking a look at it more in person versus the video, feel free to give me a call. And until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold.